Welcome back to USA Coin, where we explore the fascinating stories behind the coins in your pocket and the rare treasures hiding in plain sight. Today, we're diving deep into the full history and value of the 1776 to 1976 Bicentennial Quarter Dollar, a coin that celebrates 200 years of American independence. Whether you're a beginner collector or a numismatic expert, you'll want to pay close attention to the details of this iconic quarter. The Bicentennial Quarter was released as part of a special commemorative program to celebrate the United States bicentennial in 1976. Instead of featuring the usual Washington quarter reverse with the eagle, this coin showcases a unique reverse design with a colonial drummer boy and a torch surrounded by 13 stars, representing the original 13 colonies. The obverse side still features George Washington, but, with the dual date 1776 to 1976 prominently displayed beneath his portrait. This date range is a tribute to the 200-year anniversary of the signing of the Declaration of Independence. The U.S. Mint struck these coins in both 1975 and 1976, but all bear the dual date 1776 to 1976. There are no quarters dated 1975, as all production during that period was dedicated to the bicentennial design. These quarters were produced at three mints: Philadelphia with no mint mark, Denver with a D mint mark, and San Francisco with an S mint mark. The San Francisco Mint issued both proof coins and silver-clad collector versions, while the Philadelphia and Denver mints produced the standard copper nickel-clad coins for circulation. In terms of mintage, the numbers are massive. Over 800 million quarters were struck at the Philadelphia Mint and more than 860 million at the Denver Mint. That means over 1.6 billion bicentennial quarters entered circulation, making them common in general, but some rare varieties and special issues still stand out to collectors today. The San Francisco Mint issued around 11 million silver-clad uncirculated sets and proof sets, which included the bicentennial quarter, half-dollar, and dollar coin. These silver-clad quarters have a 40% silver content and can be identified by their S mint mark and their distinctive appearance. These are generally not found in circulation. Now, let's talk about the coin's value. Most circulated bicentennial quarters, the ones you might find in your pocket or in a coin jar, are worth face value, 25 cents. However, coins in mint state condition can carry a premium, especially those graded MS 65 or higher. A standard copper-nickel bicentennial quarter in MS 65 condition might fetch between $5 to $10. Coins graded MS 66 and MS 67 can go for significantly more, sometimes reaching $50 or higher depending on eye appeal, luster, and strike quality. The real value, though, comes from silver and high-grade proof examples. A 40% silver bicentennial quarter from a special collector set, if preserved in perfect condition, could be worth anywhere from $10 to $30, and possibly more if graded PR 69 or PR 70 by a major grading service like PCGS or NGC. There are also a few error coins and rare varieties that increase the value even further. Double die obverse or reverse errors, off-center strikes, or coins with striking anomalies can sell for hundreds of dollars depending on the severity and collector demand. One of the most desirable types is the bicentennial quarter struck on a planchet intended for another coin denomination. For example, a quarter struck on a dime or penny planchet can fetch high prices at auction. Additionally, deep cameo-proof coins, particularly those with strong frosted design and mirror-like fields, are sought after and can bring impressive prices. Collectors often look for full drum lines on the drummer boy's reverse, sharp detail in the torch and stars, and well-defined edges. The condition of the coin and whether it has been handled or stored properly greatly impacts its value. Coins that have been kept in original mint sets, untouched and protected from environmental damage, are more desirable than those that have been in circulation for decades. To summarize, the 1776 to 1976 Bicentennial Quarter is an iconic piece of American numismatic history. While most are common and worth face value, high-grade specimens, silver versions, and error coins can be worth significantly more. Whether you're collecting for fun, investment, or simply love the history, this coin is a must-have in any U.S. coin collection. Always examine your change closely. You never know when a valuable bicentennial treasure might appear in your hand. If you found this information useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to USA Coin for more in-depth videos on coins from the United States and beyond. Drop a comment below if you have a bicentennial quarter, or if you've found one with unique features. We'd love to hear your stories. Thanks for watching, and happy collecting!